Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a summary to your Simplebooklet's Navbar. Now, with our new AI summary feature, you can instantly generate a concise 40-word description of your booklet, giving readers context at a glance and increasing engagement. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Info button. This is where all the info section features are included. So we have the summary here. As you can see, I already had a summary that I wrote myself a while back, but we are going to try out our new AI feature and see how that goes. So you're going to want to make sure the summary is toggled on. And you'll also notice here we have a pop-up drawer from the right-hand side. And this basically just gives you an idea of exactly what your reader will be seeing when they click on the info section of your navbar. So again, I'm going to want to make sure it's toggled on, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the pencil icon to edit it. So now we have the suggest summary feature right here. Just going to go ahead and click on that. You're going to get a little warning here, just letting you know that it will replace any existing summary details. Going to go ahead and confirm. And now it's going to generate that 40-word summary for us. And boom, just like that. So here is the summary that it came up with after scanning our booklet. As you can see, it's a lot more detailed than the one I had originally written. Which is awesome. So if you prefer, you can also type your own custom summary directly in the editor. So you don't have to use this feature if you don't want to, but it definitely is useful and saves you a lot of time. And then you also have the option, say you like the one that they generated for you, you can go ahead here and edit it as well if you want to tweak anything, just like that. As you can see, the live preview drawer also updated as we got our new summary in here. And that's pretty much it. Once you're happy with your summary, you're just going to go ahead and click on the Done button. That will save all your changes. Your summary is now added to the info section of your navbar, giving readers a quick, clear understanding of your Simplebooklet's content. The summary enhances the awareness stage of the reader's journey. By providing instant context, it helps readers decide whether to continue exploring your booklet. Using the AI-generated summary saves time while giving a professional, concise description that boosts confidence, engagement, and discoverability. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.